2024 is expected to be one of the most challenging years, with regulatory requirements, new products being sourced, and aggressive plans to increase apparel and footwear production in Latin America. Intertek welcomes 2024 with enhanced capabilities and superior solutions. We are ready to face this challenging new year together with you. Due to its geographical advantage and the recent nearshoring trend, Latin America is a strategic sourcing region for brands and retailers catering to many of the largest consumer markets. Speed to market is a trademark of the region. Having the best and most comprehensive quality assurance solutions locally is a must. Intertek has expanded its local capabilities with additional ISO 17025 accredited tests, increased capacity, an extensive network of technical experts, and excellent customer service that manufacturing partners need to ensure success. New restricted substances testing capabilities. Wastewater and sludge testing. High performance and special claims testing capabilities. Quality inspections and factory audits. Our network of science-based, highly technically skilled teams enable local producers to overcome complex quality, safety, and sustainability challenges. We are your strategic partner in total quality assurance.